I sit on the floor. I fold my legs. I breathe slowly. I clear my mind. I stand up quietly. I walk to a bookshelf. I pick up a magazine. I flip through the pages. I read a short article. I put the magazine back. I walk to the window. I watch the sunset. I admire the colors. I close the window. I draw the curtains. I turn on a lamp. I pick up my phone. I check the time. I put my phone down. I go to the kitchen. I prepare a sandwich. I eat the sandwich. I drink a glass of water. I wash the glass. I dry the glass. I return to the living room. I sit on the sofa. I turn on the TV. I watch a short show. I turn off the TV. I stand up. I walk to the bathroom. I look at myself in the mirror. I turn off the bathroom light. I leave the bathroom. I walk into my bedroom. I open a drawer. I place my clothes in a basket. I walk to the bed. I sit on the bed. I lie down. I rest my head on the pillow. I look at the ceiling. I relax my shoulders. I think about the day. I feel grateful. I smile softly.